Apple Farmer Annie, written by Monica Wellington. It's one of my favorite books. Annie is an apple farmer. She has a big orchard of apple trees. In the fall, she picks baskets and baskets of ripe apples. She grows so many kinds of apples. She sorts and organizes them. Annie uses some of the apples to make sweet apple cider. She uses others to make delicious, smooth applesauce. She loves baking muffins, cakes, and pies with her apples. But she saves the most beautiful ones of all to sell fresh at the market. She loads everything into her truck and drives into the city. Annie, the apple farmer, sets up her stand in the farmer's market. Lots of customers come to Annie's stand. She is busy all day long. By the end of the day, she has sold everything. She packs up to go home. Annie is tired but happy. It feels so good to have her own apple farm. The end. So, similar to apples, peaches also grow in orchards. And they grow on trees. And they come in a lot of different kinds. So if you go visit your farmer's market, ask the farmer if it is a white peach or a yellow peach. Some peaches are even called freestone, which means that you can remove the pit very easy from those peaches.